All right, back to the highlight of the day. When's an opportunity to see price come off the highs, albeit maybe just a few points. Here in our puke tool, OPP, aka puke tool, OPP is other people's positions. When it's green, there's longs. When it's red, there's shorts. If you're looking to get short, if you're looking for price to go lower, if there's too many shorts in the market, shorts equal buyers. Too many shorts, too many buyers, hard to go down. Watch as these shorts get out, trim back, how price reacts. And it wasn't a coincidence, and it happens often enough to where it's a probability edge. I'm going to fast forward it, and you could see, just pay attention in this area right there. You're going to see some green icebergs come in and get filled right away, which is an appetite for selling. But watch these reds. In fact, here's my cursor during the session that's recorded right there, telling people to watch those reds if they get trimmed back. Sure enough, they get trimmed back. I just rewound it right there. Right there. And I had said they trimmed them back. We've got a easier chance to follow through a little bit to the downside. And sure enough, and I'll actually put a yellow pen on it when it happens, you had longs that were still long, and you had the reds, which are shorts, trimmed back, which means they got out, less shorts, less buyers. And then I actually draw right there in real time how many longs were still in there, and the market's bearish until it gets back above 18. And then I also draw how the market could stair step lower a little bit to maybe 15. And then you see what happens right there. Shorts get in. So let me back it up because they got in right, pretty much right there. So before it pops, right now, you don't want to stay too short, and you expect it to walk up a little bit. Shorten the hole. Make sense? So you got to keep your eye on certain things. Now, after it breaks out and says, all right, there's too many shorts and they're going to rally, and we end up having a big seller come in. But I want to show you something at the top, at the highs. All these shorts right there above it is a little bullish. But let's fit right in here. Here's what happens. Take a look at this. This wasn't a place necessarily to get short, but if you were long to cover, and that's what we said at the time. So the market rallies up a little bit, and it's got longs that creep in, and this is shorts puking. These are shorts that say, get me the hell out. And it was so many that, look up here, this is the 8 hour. So it was a significant short puke. And then longs come in. So let me fast forward it or bring it back. There are the longs getting in. If you look just right there, longs get in. Let me back it up. Boom, longs get in. If you fast forward it, you've got those shorts puking, more longs get in, and it creates some downside. A little bit more downside than I even thought. But with this amount of shorts that puke, sometimes this is a probability and helps you exit maybe a long trade. Where does it go to? No coincidence to where these shorts are stuck. Because remember, in this vertical, these are stuck shorts. And so, boom, it goes right down to where these shorts are stuck. So a couple highlights for today. The third one is, and this is important, we had a big number, the biggest number of the month, the unemployment report. It didn't come in really bullish, but yet we rallied. In fact, it came in a little below estimates, and we rallied right out of the gate. And we stayed above where we started, 95 even, the whole session. I mean, the whole first 15, 20, 30 minutes. And so when you don't get a bullish number and a kind of a bearish print on a big number, and we rally, it's showing you some underlying strength. So when you take that with your creating good direction, play it from the long side, looking for shorts to get stuck, because that's what you want to see when you're long, shorts getting stuck. One thing you have to, there's four things you have to remember, but the first thing is, or one of the four things is, when you're short, when the market's short, when someone's short, shorts equal buyers. Nobody disputes that. Why would you? When you're short, I guarantee you You're trying to buy it below and you have a buy stop above. Have a safe weekend.